easy. Let's start. The points 1 1, minus 1 5, 7 9, 9 5 taken in such order that will form A, means what will they form? So plot the points. See here, 1 1 will be in the first quadrant. Then minus 1 5 means x is minus, so it will be in the second quadrant. 7 9 first quadrant, 9 5 first quadrant. Now just do the plotting and find the distances. See here, first we find AD. This AD means x2 minus x1. See here, you can take anything as x2 y2 and anything as x1 y1. That is okay. Generally the trend followed is the first alphabet AD. A is always 1 1 and D is always 2 2, but that's not a compulsion. Okay. So AD is what? x2 minus x1 plus the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. This is known as the distance formula. Okay. So do it. x2 is minus 1 minus this 1, that is it becomes 1 only. So minus 1 the whole square plus 5 minus 1 the whole square. Then solve it, you will get root 20. AD done. CD is what? CD is what? Minus 1 5 and 7 9. So x2 minus x1, 7 minus minus 1 plus 9 minus 5. See here, I have reversed the order over here. It should be minus 1 minus 7, but that's what I said. Nothing is compulsory. You can take anything anywhere. So solve it, you will get root 80. Okay, CD is root 80. Now next is what? BC. BC is what? 9 minus 7. This 9, 7. And plus 5 minus 9 the whole square. So again solve it, root 20. Then AB. AB is what? 9 minus 1 the whole square plus 5 minus 1 the whole square. Solve it, you will get root 80. So what are the sides now? See this. AD, root 20, root 80, root 20, root 80. Means opposite sides are equal. Now this figure ABCD can be what now? It can be parallelogram or it can be a rectangle, because opposite sides are equal. Of course, it can't be rhombus. Why? Because opposite sides are equal. They are not, all the sides are not same. Similarly, it can be a square also. So either parallelogram or it can be a rectangle. Now we have to find whether, what is it? How to find it? How can somebody say something is a rectangle? We have studied this in our earlier standards. Suppose if the diagonals are equal, then it's a rectangle. So if you have to find what? AC and BD. So try it. AC is what? 7 minus 1 the whole square plus 9 minus 1 the whole square. See this, AC, 7 minus 1 the whole square, 9 minus 1 the whole square. And BD is what? 9 minus minus 1 the whole square plus 5 minus 5 the whole square. That is 10 10. If you solve this, you will get it 10 10. So diagonals are equal. That's why it is a rectangle. Opposite sides equal, diagonals equal, so it's a rectangle.